So guys, one of the herdsmen just communicated to us on the phone that there is a very big snake right down where he's herding the cows. He's somewhere down in the swampy section of the farm, and he said there's a very big snake that he saw. He had tried to climb a tree in order to have a very clear view of all the cattle, but while he was up, he saw a very big snake down. So guys, I think I'm late. Some people have run down to try and catch the snake. We told him to make sure he stays there. He shouldn't move away. That way we can pinpoint where the snake is. Guys, let's go and check it out. Hopefully I'll find it still being hunted down, but let's go and check it out. Oh my god guys, you won't believe me. You just won't believe me. So this is what happened. After we caught the snake, like you had seen, the snake was really injured. It was pierced with a bar, an iron metal bar. And so we were playing around with it. We really thought, it's a gone case. So we placed it down. It was playing dead. It played dead. We brought it up to the compound. It played dead. And whilst everyone was absent-minded, now we thought, we can continue with our work. It took off. Guys, it took off and it went and hid in a hole of a tree. So now the work is to try to get it out. Guys, hopefully we shall manage to get it out. Teguduka no. Teguduka.